Girl Power, Kim Chu, pak na pak at pasabog ang birthday photoshoot.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby.
Pak na pak nga at pasabog ang naging birthday photoshoot ng Queen of the Dance Floor at multimedia idol na si Kim Chu. Nagbahagi nga ang dalaga ng samot-saring larawan at short video sa kanyang Instagram account at ipinakita pa ni Kimi ang horseback riding niya habang nagpipictorial. Giliw na giliw ang kanyang mga supporters dahil hindi daw natatakot si Kimi na sumakay sa kabayo na akalain mong cowgirl ang peg. Inunla naman ang naturang post na yon ang mga komento at pagbati mula sa mga fans at kapwa artista ni Chinita Princess. Mahusay talaga at ay sayas. Mana lang naman ako sa iyo, Mami. Happiest birthday Queen at Chinita Princess. Enjoy your special day with full of love and positivity. In life, we're so happy for your and stay in love always with at Pao Abilino. Happy birthday, Kimi. May the good Lord continue to bless your beautiful heart. Happy birthday, my queen. So fitting. Hashindera at Chinita Princess. Who would thought this concept looks so amazing on you? Horses and all. Wow, the pictorial with the horses is absolutely stunning. Every shot looks so elegant and magazine worthy. You're a natural at horseback riding, and the calmness you exclude in this pictorial makes it even more beautiful. And the song is so good too. It speaks about surviving, growing stronger, and holding your life together on your own, which makes you even more powerful. You've always been an inspiration, so strong, resilient, and able to rise through everything you've been through. Truly stunning, independent, beautiful. Birthday girl. Pasabog talaga palagi. Birthday shoot mo, Kimi. By the way, keep on shining our Kimberly Sue. You are born to be a star, a humble one. Taurus and Year of the Horse. Perfect. I love you, Queen. Happy, yes, birthday to you. I love you forever. Keep shining, Kimi. Super na naman sa ganda talaga. Happy birthday. Sobrang ganda ng birthday girl. Happy birthday, Kimi. Sobrang ganda naman talaga. Happy birthday, Kim. Excited to see you tomorrow at Showtime kahit sa online lang. Very happy na ako na makita ka doing your birthday production tomorrow. O diba, pak na pak naman talaga ang maladyosang video na ibinahagi ni Chinita Princess para sa kanyang birthday photoshoot. Happy birthday, Kimi! Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.